So I was just on my way back down the yard, and that's my swarm trap up there, and there's bees taking an interest in it. Quite a few bees taking an interest in it actually. So I don't know if it's my bees or someone else's bees, or maybe some feral bees. Hopefully feral bees would be great. But there's definitely a lot of interest going on in that box. Right, so I'm just walking across the field and I can hear bees, and I haven't got any beehives nearby here, and I look in the sky and there's bees everywhere. It's a swarm of bees, and I did see some bees checking out my swarm trap this morning, and I just walked past it and I couldn't see any bees on there. I thought, oh, perhaps they've gone somewhere else, but looks like they're coming right now. They're headed right towards it. This is where my swarm trap is, in this tree right here. And this is one of my biggest traps as well, so I normally catch really big swarms in this one. But they're headed right at it. I love this. Absolutely love it. Here they come. This was just random. I just happened to be walking by. I'd have missed this if I was 5 minutes earlier, or probably 10 minutes, 20 minutes. Well, no, they'd probably take a half hour to get in the trap, I expect. Whoa. This is huge. And there they go. Oh, I need to go and get a ladder. Oh, what a beauty. Still loads of bees everywhere. They're definitely going in my trap. Okay, so I've not seen the queen, but the bees are suddenly, they were all clustering on the top, and suddenly they're all marching down the box, and they're all going in. They weren't going in really before, and suddenly they're all going in, and there's a lot less bees there now. So they're just marching down the box. There's still some hanging off the bottom as well, but look at them just march down the box.